Hello everyone, we will continue our topic because we already discussed about the superficial group of muscle of the necks and suprahyoid and infrahyoid muscle of the necks. Means we already discussed three groups and we have the fourth group. We have lateral group of muscle of neck. Okay, lateral group of muscle of neck, we have three muscles. Lateral muscle of neck. Okay, or musculus lateralis. Okay, we have three muscles. First we have anterior scalenus muscle. Then we have medial scalenus muscle. And third one we have posterior scalenus muscle. Okay, now I will show, this is the lateral view of neck. Okay, if lateral view of neck, we will see, I will show how the now we will going to discuss each muscle origin and insertion, and I will show from where to where. Okay, first we will going to talk about the, because this is lateral muscles of neck, then I draw here the diagram is lateral view. Okay, is the lateral view of neck. First muscle we have anterior scalenus muscle. Anterior means front side of, okay, is laterally but is frontally of these three muscles. Anterior scalenus muscle. Anterior scalenus muscle. Okay, if you will talk about origin and insertion. These are the cervical vertebrae I draw. Cervical, how many vertebrae we have? 7 vertebrae. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These 7 cervical vertebrae and 1, 2 here thoracic vertebra I draw for the memorization of the rib 1 and rib 2. Okay, because this anterior scalenus connection with the rib 1 and rib 2. Okay, if we will talk about the first anterior scalenus muscle, the scalenus muscle from C3 to C6 origin, transverse process. Okay, it's mean transverse process of C3 cervical vertebra till C6 vertebra. Transverse process of C3 to C6. Okay, this is a 1, 2, 3. Here we have transverse process 1, 2, 3. Means this muscle origination from here, and here, and this muscle coming here, and here the inferior surface. These are the muscle. Okay, origination from three cervical vertebra, transfer process, and inserted where? This is a rib 1. Okay, it's mean superior surface are anterior scalenus tubercle of rib 1. Okay, rib 1, because if you remember when we discussed the osteology and we will study the ribs, okay, then that time I told the first rib is in horizontal position and other is a sagittal plane. Okay, means in horizontal plane and other ribs are in sagittal plane. Okay, here we have the superior surface is more flat and inferior surface also. Okay, superior surface, here we have groove for subclavian vein and subclavian artery, and between them we have anterior tubercle. Okay, now this muscle origination from C3 to C6. Okay, C6 1, 2, 3. We have like this and this. Okay, these are the muscle of anterior scalenus muscle, which originated from C3 to C6 and inserted into the surface, superior surface, or anterior scalenus tubercle of the rib 1. Okay, these are muscles. Anterior scalenus are lateral group of muscle of neck. Okay, and this, if you will talk about the function of this muscle help in the abduction, adduction of neck, or extension, also help. Okay, then and also help in a lateral and bilateral direction. Now if we will talk about the another muscle, second muscle, medius muscle, medius scalenus muscle. If you will talk origin and insertion of medius muscle, okay, these are the anterior, because this is a lateral view. I told in these three muscles, this is our anterior, means in front of this muscle. Then we have from C1 to C7. Okay, in C1 to C7 we have transverse process, means transverse process of C1 to C7 cervical vertebra. This is the origin of the medius scalenus muscle. Okay, means this is a muscle. Here is medius muscle. Okay, and coming, these are the medius muscle. Okay, this means origination from C1 to C7. Okay, C7 is origin, transverse process, and inserted where? The same surface, superior surface of what? Superior surface of the first rib. Okay, first rib. Okay, and this is also behind the anterior tubercle. Okay, behind the anterior tubercle. Now if you will talk the same function, okay, then if you will talk about the third muscle we have what? The third muscle we have posterior. Okay, means back side in these three muscle. Posterior scalenus muscle. Okay, origin from where? Origin from C5 to C7. Okay, and transverse process of C5 to C7 cervical vertebra, and inserted into, I will show, means from C5, here we have C5, this one, and here inserted like this. Okay, into the second rib. Okay, it means from transverse process of C5 to C7 is the origin of the posterior scalenus muscle. Okay, and insertion where? To the surface of superior surface or surface fasces. Okay, surface of what? Rib 2. These are the origin and insertion of these three muscle: anterior scalenus muscle, medius scalenus muscle, and posterior scalenus muscle. Okay, origin and insertion we talk, and function is help in adduction of head. Okay, and also in rotation, also unilateral and bilateral direction. Okay, we talk about these are all our three muscles. We are called lateral muscle of the neck. Okay, these are the lateral group we discuss. Thank you for watching.